Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we are just taking out the Limitless. This is my race car that I use for racing on the asphalt tracks. I'm gonna take this out and just do some test runs. I got my RadioLink hooked up to it, my RC8X. So far it's been pretty good. I tested it out in front of the house the other day. I don't think I've ever shown this car before, but I got the castle system in it, Mamba Monster X 8S. We run it on 6S. I believe this is the 1650 kV motor. I got a couple SpeedTek RC fans on it to keep the motor cool. I believe I'm running like a 4224 right now. It's a little fast, but I'm still trying to get used to it. It gets up and goes. So, and then we run GRPs, tires. I got GRPs in the back, I believe, and these are a different brand, but in the front. But I'm gonna go back to GRPs. I didn't care for these that much. They wore out pretty fast. I think we run. I run 5s, 4s. 5s in the front, 4s in the back, and we and go from there. So I just repaired my wing, a little shoe goo, some drywall tape, fixed that back up, and you can see my wings all messed up in the front, and I don't crashing, running into the walls, the fences, anybody else that's in my way. So, you know, I got a SpeedTek RC servo in there, super fast. I'm not sure. This is the 308. See it in there? That's the part number 0308. Yeah, and then I'm just testing it out on some Gens Ace 8000 3S batteries, the bashing batteries. So they seem to be working pretty good too. And we'll go from there. So we'll get it out of here on the parking lot at work and rip it up and down a little bit. Stay tuned. All right, guys, let's hook the batteries up. I got hit from the side on my ESC and it busted my on and off switch. So now I have to plug it in to get it to turn on. Yeah, it's a pretty brutal race out there, guys. I'm like one of the first ones to crash into somebody, so I'm not the best at racing, but it's fun. There are some tough cars out there, so. But need to test this out. I put the new radio in. Did a couple tweaks to it. I figured to get it out here and run it back and forth a couple times just to make sure everything's running right and the radio's working good. The brakes are good. It looks like it's going to the left just a hair. Warm up the tires. These tires are pretty slick until they warm up. So once they warm up, they're good to go. Takes about, I don't know, it takes about 3 or 4 laps on the racetrack to warm them up. Yeah, all right, she's doing pretty good. A little dusty out here. I got it pretty low to the ground. It's like 10 millimeters off the ground, so it hugs pretty good. It hits the little rocks. Oh. Huh?
Where's the metal bin in the right corner?
Yeah, all the way in the corner.
I got up a couple of barbecue pins and a hitting tape. I don't know what it does.
Something's hitting. I'm trying to figure out what it is. It's just a rock on the road. Little pebbles out here. Racetrack, we don't have pebbles. It's pretty cleaned up. They take care of the track. Spray root beer on the ground, syrup, so we get a little bit better traction. Otherwise, we'd just be sliding all over the place. Ooh, I think I need to turn the brakes up just a hair. Go up to 80. That's why I like this controller. I'm liking this controller so far, guys. This stretch right here is about the distance of the straightaway on the racetrack too. Oh shit. Oh shit. But I tell you what, guys, this is these are tough cars right here. Let's see if we did anything bad to it or not. Sure don't look like it. Alright. No, she looks good still. Everything's running good. Let's see the motor. That was a good. I can't tell how long that was, but motor's a little warm. We run for like 6 minutes. So it's usually not too bad. But I'm gonna let it cool off for a minute and then yeah, put her away. She looks like she's ready to go. And we'll mess around with the wheels a little bit. Yeah, the wheels are nice and warm. Got all a little tacky. So, alright. Everything I did to it, I fixed this down here. Put new screws in. Hopefully those hold. You can see it's already starting to slide out of there a little bit from crashing. But The rest of it held up. Too bad I couldn't see exactly what happened over there, but we're all right. Might put a new fairing on this new piece on, just because it's so whacked out. But I run into so much stuff, guys. It's hard to keep that straight. But there you go, guys. New RadioLink worked awesome. This thing's great. Fits good in the hand. The only thing I don't like is I hold my controller up against me a little bit, and I keep hitting this back bottom button. I'm gonna see if I can shut it off. So, because it keeps beeping at me every time I click on it. So my big belly gets in the way. So, but we'll see. Other than that, the thing's working awesome. You can adjust the brakes, you can adjust everything on it right there. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. You guys all have a great day.